Hi, this is Tanmay Sarkar. Today we will see how we will use Excel to read test data. This is our Maven project, a basic project. I just created an empty project. Okay, now this is empty. So how we will do that? We will use this Selevance framework. So we need to install those things from Jetpack. We can install. We just need to add this repository from Jetpack. I am just opening my pom.xml. And I have to add this dependency. Here the basic JUnit dependency are added. I have to remove those dependency and I will add testng for that. Okay, so I have added this Jetpack and now I am going to add the testng dependency. Now I am going to save those things. Now the workspace is building. Meanwhile, I am going to create a resource folder where I will put. There's a problem, missing artifact. Okay, I didn't mention the version. So let me go to the Jetpack and let me choose the version 225. Okay. Now after saving, it is again building. Now the error gone. Now if you open the Maven dependency, then you can see it's a Selevance 2.2.5. Okay. Here you can found data reader Excel. So I have to create Excel test data. This is my project repository, src test. I am going to create a resources folder. Resources, under resources I am going to create Excel file called data repo. Now I am going to create some field like first name or first, last, address. Say for example first name Tanmay, last name Sarkar, address home, this one. Okay, so now I have to create a test case like, and I'm going to use the annotation Selevance basic for that. This one you can copy those from here. Now we have to add those reference. For @test annotation I have to add testng Selevance basic I have to add from Selevance for test data as well. Now I have to locate my Excel file. Let me refresh my project. Okay, this error is because the Excel file is opened till now. Let me close this Excel file and again refresh. Okay, now it's gone. src test resources and data repo.xls. src test resources and the file name is data repo .xlsx. Okay, fine. And the sheet name was sheet 1. Okay, so we have completed the annotation portion. To get the test data from that Excel, we need to add a hash map on our method, like this one. Hash map, a string with a test data. Now we have to import the hash map. Okay. So we have to get the Excel column name from this test data. So let's open that Excel file. Here the column name is first, last and address for DD. Okay. Here is our test data.get first. Now print this string. Okay. So let me run this test. Now you can get the output like Tanmay Sarkar home. This is for our first data row. Let me write some another data row here. So this is my second test data row. Okay, you can see here the test run count is 1. Now let me run it again. The count is 2. Okay, so first data set is with Sarkar home Tanmay and the second data set is Sarkar office Suman. So adding a new data row, it will iterate again and again. Say for example, if you have a multiple test data set and you have to test only one method, so using this library you can check those data. Assume you have a scenario where you have to pass only few test data set. You have written this data and you need to pass only this parameter and you don't need to pass this parameter. So there should be one checking, like yes or no, this data will be passed or not. So you have to add those data row here. Yes, and this one is no. In Selevance basic, you have to add format equal to first yes. Format equal to first yes. Okay, now save it and run it again. Before this parameter we have executed the two test run, this one. Now let me write again. Look, now the run count is 1 and it is executed only for run my circle home, this one, like whatever we have make marked as yes. Now change the pattern and execute it again. This one. So if you have to manipulate the test data, no need to worry about it, just use the library and you will get the benefit. Thank you for watching.